Yaurana everybody, and welcome to your tour today of the beautiful islands of Moorea. I'm so excited to take you across our island and into the beautiful waters. To my left, you're going to be able to enjoy your beautiful Ma'ataiti, and to my right, you have the wonderful ocean where you can swim and dive and look for the fish. No, I'm super kidding. Or, let me try one more time. Hello everybody, I am Kanani and I'm here to give you the weather reports of Tahiti. You can call it TNTV weather. Reporting to you live in Moorea. To my right, we have a storm coming through. See those dark clouds that are coming over here? To my left, where at some point in the day, catch me at 4 p.m., there will be another storm on the left side of the island. But the right side will have no storm because that's how islands work. Yeah, anyway. And I'm back with this video. No one wants to hear that, but I don't know. I just thought I would use this really cool background that is in the studio that I film at. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And I'm like vibing with it, you know? I just want to play a little ukulele. I don't know. Anyway, aloha talofa and yaurana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani Lokelani Asuega, and I am your favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a long, cringy walk down memory lane, and I'm going to be sharing with you 8 years of my fa'arapu. I decided to do this video for a few reasons. One being, like, I thought it was kind of funny and cute to go back and look at my videos, and then when I started to do it, I was like full of embarrassment, and I was like, wow, I could never like show people this, even though people have seen it, but like the idea of it resurfacing in 2021 sounds terrifying. But then I had a moment to myself and I was like, you know what? I used to love myself back then. I used to love my dancing back then. I was so confident in myself. And because I had that mentality, I was able to grow from it so much. I didn't put myself down too much with my dancing. I just accepted my dancing as something that can grow, not something that I should be ashamed of or hate. For example, like if my hips weren't where I wanted it to be, or I wasn't as fast as I wanted to be, I didn't let it stop myself. I just worked hard, I closed my eyes, and I moved forward. And that is really what I want to get to today. I think there's a lot of overthinking with dancing, and I think there's a lot of times where you will always be hard on yourself, but it's only up to you for you to understand those emotions and be able to navigate them into creation and not navigate them into pain or suffering or like sadness, because your dancing today is it today and it's wonderful. Your dancing tomorrow is going to be that, and we have to love every part of our journey. So in these 8 years, I had a very cringy way of dancing to a dancing I was really proud of, to me to this day, where when you watch my 2020 videos or 2021 videos of me dancing, it's not as great as it could be or what it used to be, but my mind is so much stronger now. My heart is so much stronger now. And I use my dance life in the way of creation more than I do dancing for myself. I rather train you to be the best dancer ever than to really get myself back into training. But I try my best because I love to dance, you know? But my 2020, 2021 videos are just, it's whatever compared to like 17, 18, and 19 videos. Like I was popping in those years. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a little laugh, have a moment with yourself, and go back to your own videos and kind of see where you were and what you can be, and set some goals for yourself on a piece of paper or whatever it may be. But I appreciate all of you, and I will see you after the video. Enjoy. cringy. I don't know, it was kind of cringy. And I really hope that you guys still think I'm the favorite Polynesian dancer here on YouTube, even though you watched all those videos and I just don't look that great. But I don't know, it's kind of cute, right? And that is today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, push that bell for notifications, comment down below, share with your friends and family. Let me know your dance experience. Why don't you try the same thing? Put together a series of your dancing throughout the year and learn to really love yourself as a dancer. That is the key to everything. Time, patience, hard work, but most of all, love for yourself as a dancer and your energy to want to grow, right? So I really hope you guys have a beautiful day. Don't forget to go to dance practice. Don't forget to get some reps in and stay healthy. And yeah, I love you all. Follow me on my socials. Peace out, homies.